It's the Phoenix Suns taking on the Boston Celtics. To the paint. Here's Parrish. And there's a whistle. Now here's Booker. Outside Durant. Uses the glass on the layup.
Nobody.
No good on the three.
And I'm surprised that didn't go down. I mean, I'm sure he is too.
Booker for three. That one's in there on the nice. Here's Dunn. And a miss there on the triple.
You know, he's not a knockdown shooter from there, but when you're that uncovered, you almost are forced to take.
Check in with Allie LaForce.
I spoke with Boston's head coach earlier. I asked him about the many difficulties that Kevin Durant presents to a defense, and coach said with most guys you can force them left or right or send help. With Kevin, he can always shoot over the top of you. Sometimes you feel helpless in that regard. Not a lot of solutions for a 7-foot sharpshooter, guys.
And Allie, thank you for that.
Great touch from KD. Great range, too.
To the wing, right side. Well, if you're just tuning in, we've played about 2.5 minutes here in the first. Offensive board. Parrish. And the layup falls.
Parrish cleaning it up for his team, using his length to protect the play and get them the basket.
It's Durant with a drive. And it's slammed in by Durant.
B.A., the one-hand dunk just looks so fluid.
Yeah, absolutely. Even smooth when he's powering it home like that.
Part of what makes him unique, guys, that combination of power and polish.
Snatched up. Here's Dunn. Second chance shot. Pass to Durant. The three. Yes, and it's Booker. Johnson with the defensive effort. Here's McHale. No made baskets yet. And he dunks it down.
So.
Richards' shot is off. Celtics trail by 5. To the inside. And he takes the fantastic lead pass up strong for the slam.
Bird throwing it down. He doesn't do that a lot. He showed you right there. He can do it when he needs to.
Basket's good.
Just owning the...
Hope you've enjoyed the broadcast so far. Halfway through the first half in this one. And a moment now to quickly take a look at the offense. Off target from three-point range.
He didn't make them pay for that weak defense, but they just can't rely on him to miss those kind of shots.
Pass to Bird. Uses the glass to finish the layup. Bird's got 6.
And you know, in the painted area, Bird has a variety of moves, can take you either direction and finish with either hand. He's a nightmare to defend, and believe me, I woke up in sweats many a times dealing with that guy.
All right, let's get a report from Allie.
Bradley Beal is settling in as one of multiple stars in Phoenix. He said it's been an adjustment for sure. You go from being very ball dominant to now you share the dominance, and it's a sacrifice and also an adjustment of learning a totally different role. Brian, he says it's a process, but one he embraces.
Good point. Thanks, Allie. Shot clock at 5. Ainge. From deep, Johnson. Oh, he drains the 3, and he'll go to the line for one more. It's going to be on Bradley Beal. Boston shooting their 3rd free throw shot of the game. The free throw dropped for Johnson.
You know, fellas, 1 second quicker, and that's going the other way.
Tries it from 16. And that one's good by Durant. Durant, Boston pulls it in.
He's as surprised as we are. Most nights, that bucket is automatic.
To the middle. Here's Parrish. And the dunk by Booker. Whoa, Booker busting it up court.
Transition basketball, the most reliable way to generate easy looks.
Yep, exactly. And if there's any opportunity for early offense, you got.
Durant's shot is off.
Really good job on the inside that time. I mean, he had to work for that rebound, and he got it done.
Here's Bird, looking to get back on track. Another shot. Here's Parrish. Well, it was only a matter of time before they finally get the bucket.
Tell you what, with his size and soft touch, Parrish is a very reliable option on the inside.
Beal from outside. And that comes off the assist by Durant. Oh, misses the dunk.
Wow, he doesn't miss many of those. He's such a strong finisher and tight.
And he buries that one. Back rim and in. And now a 4-point Suns lead.
Sweet mid-range jumper for Kevin Durant. He's dialed in wherever he shoots it from.
Pass to Bird. And here's Johnson. Takes it inside. Bearing his second of 3 attempts.
And despite the height disadvantage, oh my, he just attacks that interior.
You know what, guys, honestly, I didn't think he'd win that battle. I mean, that's a...
Just after halftime to get the third quarter started. Johnson with the defensive effort. Here's Bird. That one drops for him. Bird's got 8 points. On the wing, Durant. 19 points in the game. And down it goes. 2 points.
Just a natural-born scorer. Kevin Durant is especially elusive and skilled at converting on the drive.
And for those tuning in, we're about a minute into this second half. Ainge gets the bucket. Phoenix leading by 3. Pass to Booker. Look at Booker elevate. Good work defensively by Richards. And so Durant will bring it up for Phoenix. A strong finish from KD inside.
KD's a great...
And it's all from 3-point range.
Given his range, you'd expect him to capitalize on that opening.
And the basket by Beal. And now a 9-point Suns lead.
Not just a jump shooter, Bradley Beal is also excellent at knifing his way to the rack and finishing.
And from the sideline, let's catch up with Allie.
Well, Brian, a lot of teams are still...
Durant's shot is off. And here are the Celtics. They trail by 7. Now Johnson. He has 6. Oh, from deep. Offensive rebound.
Boy, they're leaning on Parrish tonight, and with good reason. Why not? This guy is built to score.
Pass to Durant.
2 minutes remaining.
To the middle.
2 minutes.
A nice shot by Richards. And the Durant pulls it in. The Suns lead by 7. Durant owning the inside. So it's Phoenix now. They lead by the biggest margin of the game at 9. Oh, and there's the whistle.
Wants to body up on him, even if you may risk a foul.
Here he goes. The offensive rebound. Vincent. Pass to Seasting. Shot clock at 6. Late clock. The Celtics got to hurry here. Yep, that one's good. Here's Durant. KD won't be stopped. And this is it. Glad to have you along for this 4th quarter. And the Celtics in possession here. It's a 10-point game. And there's a defensive 3-second call. All right, well, a look at how the points have been generated so far. A scoring breakdown for the Suns.
Yeah, what stood out to me was their passing. They moved the ball effortlessly and have been able to find those holes in the defense.
Pass to Parrish. Here's Ainge. Takes the 3. Nails it from 3. Durant, no good.
It's one thing to prevent the layup. It's another to do it without fouling. Just terrific defense.
Boom! He jams it straight down.
He's just an aggressive finisher there inside.
Hey, when you got bounce like that, you feel like you can take on anybody.
Fellas, that's exactly why they look to get him the ball around the rim. I mean, it's either a dunk or free throws every time.
And that one's good by Durant. 4th quarter still young, just over a minute played. 3-pointer, Beal. knocks it down from distance.
3.
And the Suns lead by 9.
We talk about guys with pure strokes. Beal's in that discussion.
Here's Bird. Got it. Ooh, great D that time from Dunn.
Coach loves the execution, just not the result. That's okay. That's part of the process.
Here's Durant. Katie jams it straight. We're in the fourth quarter here. Just under 2.5 minutes gone by. Pass to Beal. Now Dunn. That one falls. Coming off Beal's feed.
3 points.
And now a 12-point Suns lead.
Too much space on the perimeter. There needs to be a little more energy from the defense.
Here's Bird. Gets the 3 to fall.
That's the answer there.
Durant's shot is off.
2 minutes remaining in the game. 2 minutes.
Here's Bird. Pass to Ainge. Here's Bird. Guarded by Durant. Bird, that's good.
Good pass in this.
They lead by 7.
And he's doing things on the glass tonight that we don't often see.
Boy, he has put in some major work. He's earning his pay, for sure.
From outside the arc, Ainge gets the bucket. Ainge has got 6 points in the quarter.
Danny Ainge finding a way to come up big right there. Terrific job by Ainge.
For 3, and it's Phoenix with the rebound.
You know, to cut deficits, you got to be making smart basketball plays out there. Taking care of the ball. It's not done by hoisting up bonehead threes like that one.
Slick feed by Beal, taking advantage of the hole in the defense to set up a wide open man.
Count that one.
We got exactly what we expected. Bird doing what he does in the club.
He's been tremendous at corralling misses all night long.
Yeah, I love the way he's fighting through box outs, using his elbows. I mean, he's doing whatever it takes.
He shoots. Durant with the bucket. Durant, I'm not on target. So the Suns win it. They have to feel good about this performance. It's one they can be proud of.
Very